We'll guide you through how to make Google the homepage in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Chrome, and so you want to make Google the homepage for whatever reason, we'll guide you through how this can be done. So what you need to do is head to the top right of Chrome and click the three dots. Go down the list and find the option for settings, and you can go and click there. In settings, there's some different things we can change. What we need to do is come over to the left and go and select search engine. What we can then do is go and press change, and you want to go and select Google like so and press set as default. And what we can also do is come over to the left again and press on startup, and what you can do is you can go and change this to open a specific page or set of pages. Then I've already got Google here, but let's say I didn't, then what you can do is select that, press add a new page, and then you can go and type in google.com, press add, and that's it. So on startup, google.com will be loaded. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video for more.